Yes, okay. Hello, everyone. Welcome to episode 3, part 2 of how to set up Claw 3D and starting up our first project, where we are going to see the loading of avatar, navigating the workspace, how to use a 3-click mouse in 3D, and seeing the assets that come with the software. Without wasting time, let us go direct to our class. In the previous part, we saw multiple things on how to open Claw, setting up a new project, and saving our project properly. Now we are heading over to part 2, where we are going to do the following. Watch and continue. Now we are done with seeing how to toggle these windows so that you are able to do them preferably. Next step is we are seeing some other extra windows that come with the software. One of the windows that come with the software is, let us load our avatar so that we can explain this very well. Okay, I want you to watch it clearly. This 2D window and the 3D window, the 3D window and the 2D window, put your eyes in them and see the magic that happens. What you do in 3D, it will be done in 2D, but the difference is the way things appear doesn't appear in the same format. Now we are going to see how things appear in both windows after we have loaded the avatar. So avatar is an asset that comes with the software. It's a mankind, it's a human being or a doll. We call it avatar. That's a digital word, a digital terminology for those things, the models. So we come here at the library. Now we're going to load the avatar, isn't it? Watch it clearly. You come at the library. You see on the left hand corner of your screen, at the extreme left hand corner, you see where my cursor is hovering, isn't it? So you just left click. Here, my dear friends who are who are interested in getting to know this software, please, the kind of mouse that you're supposed to use, you must be having this type of the mouse. You see this mouse? A 3-click button mouse. The 3-click mouse button, one of it means this one is the left click. You see this side where my cursor is playing around? That's the left click. Then another click is the scroll wheel. You see this scroll wheel in the middle? That is the scroll wheel. Then now, the another one is this button, which is a right click. So it's only you. I wish I could change my camera and then I show you by hands. You put your hands, you put your fingers, one finger on the left hand click, then another finger on the right hand click, then you remain with only one finger as a scroll for scrolling it. All your fingers must be communicating when dealing with this software. Okay, so now we go back to our software. So when coming back to our software, what I was telling you, you left click on libraries. Now we are going to dock our assets that come with the software. So you left click at the library here. Boom, you only left click once. Then it will give you this dockable, let me first return them in that format. It will give you these assets. One of the assets that come with the software in library is the garments, avatars, hangers, fabric, hardware and trims, materials and stage. But that's not only the end. You can still go ahead and customize this library by bringing or importing folders from your computer. How do you import folders from the computer to this library? You just come to this icon. You're getting it? There is this plus icon on top of your library here. Then you click. When you click, it will navigate you to the computer. Now there you're going to the computer. You get it? So from here, of course, you must be computer literate. You know how to operate the computer and you know how to play with the folders in the computer. So when you reach in the computer here, if the folder that you're interested in is within here, that is in my edit, then you are good to go. But if it's not here, still you can come to your computer. Here is my computer now. These are the storages that are in my computer. I have this one is my for my for my operating system. A local disk C, I always strictly keep it for only operating system and installations of softwares. Then now my extra storage that I have this one, this I have customized it according to the way how I understand them. For example, this video now that the class that we are having, the video, I'm saving it in edits. So that means if I'm looking for a video that I want, I have to come to my edit here, and then I have final project. So final project is what I put after I've finished everything. Now the video is ready for consumption on either social media, on any social media platform. So that's where I save my videos. Then when you come to here, I have raw videos. Of course, you know, some videos I take them with the camera, and you might find that you've recorded a video for over 12 hours, but you cannot post it. You have to narrow that video to 10 minutes. So that's where I keep these raw videos, so that I come back at my convenient time. I do the edit so that I can narrow it to the minutes that I want. Then edits, this is where I always keep my scripts. So that's how I have customized. But that's not the reason as to why we came here. We came here to dock a folder to our library in Clo 3D. So let me see if we can open one. I open maybe the project, final project. So from the final project, I have my folders. They are here. So I have Clo for YouTube, I have shorts, I have thumbnails, I have YouTube. So if I click on this Clo, that means the features that are in Clo and the program can communicate them can be accessed. I just click on it, and then you see select folder. Once you click select folder, it will automatically, I'm not going to select it because it is heavy. I have a lot that is in this folder, so it may take time and it will consume more of our time, and yet we want to finish this class early. Okay, ladies, let us tap the screen and share this live to around very many people. Tap the screen, tap the screen, so that TikTok doesn't say Mbu, we are mute or inactive. Okay, so I'm not going to export this to the library, but I was just teaching you how to. When you click on select folder, it will automatically take it here. For example, I have my custom folders that I brought. One of it is avatars, another one is the Trother, then another one TOPTS Natural, then another one is TOPTS Plugins. So these are my custom folders. For those assets that come with the software, you just have garments, avatar, hanger, fabric, hardware, material, and stage. And this one depends on the software version that you are using. For me, I'm using 2022. So you may find in 2021 is different, 2023 is different, and this is 2026. I don't know whether it is already out. If it is out, you may find it's also different in the way it is laid out. Okay, so our software here, we have seen how we have created this workspace. I've explained the 3D and the 2D section. Now we are entering into the library, and in the library I've taught you how to dock folders from the computer. So now the next thing that I was telling you is to load the avatar. Loading the avatar is a doll or a mankind or a model in this software, and of which when you click on avatar, it drops down below here. If you can zoom, you have these three folders, which is female, kid, and male. But always me in my classes, I advise you to always deal with the female avatars. Why? Female avatars or female adults have detailed body shapes than other types of gender. You know, male, they don't have detail, but women, they have actually detailed shapes. So when we open, now we want to load the female avatar. What do we do still? You double left click. When I say double left click, this is the mouse. So this mouse, this side here that you see my cursor hovering around here, this is the key. I'm telling you, you double left click this one, you double tata times 2, very fast, so you are able to open the folder in this program. So I come to this program, I come to this folder, I double click, it has opened. Now when you double click on it, it also comes with default settings or default assets, of which one of it is the arrangement, avatar, challenge, cap, hair, motion, poses, shoes, size, and you can still customize it. As you can see, me also, I customized my folder from here by putting tops. This is the tops customized folder. But here in this software, it comes with the two. I customized the first one. So this is the factory default that comes, the avatar that comes with the what? With the software. So this avatar, as you can see,